Hi, welcome to another edition of Rip and Right with Dave and Wally. You are
I'm
Mr.
Dave.
Scott, and I'm
Right.
Mr. Brown.
That's right.
So Dave,
Something like
we've
that.
done a lot of videos over the past couple of years talking about a plethora of things, right? I mean, roof installations, accessories.
Just a plethora.
We haven't spent a lot of time on maintenance, really, have we? I mean,
No.
we have touch base on it a little bit.
We have, but that maintenance is a very lucrative part
Yeah.
of a roofer's
Yeah,
portfolio.
back in the day when we actually worked for a living,
Yeah.
not what we do now. I mean, maintenance was a big part
Oh, yeah.
when I was roofing.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of good money in that.
There is.
And it's not only from the aspect of keeping your customers happy, but for the long run of your business.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Without a doubt.
We have a lot of different things here we talk about that can help the contractor out with his business in the maintenance end of maintenance and repair.
Right. Everything here is for maintenance and repair. Right.
Right.
Maintenance really is what you want to sell when you get your when you present the warranty, get them in a maintenance contract. That way you go out, you check the roof, 2, 3, 4 times a year, whatever you're going to set it up for, however much you want to set it up. And the nice thing is all of this stuff is easily access to the roof.
Yeah, and it's designed to simply save time for the contractor, which saving time for him means more money in his pocket
Right.
and the guys that work for him
Yeah, he bids so many hours to do something and you can do it faster.
using this product.
Right, you make more money.
So what are some of the things we have here? I mean, we have,
Wally, let me go first, if you will.
knock yourself out.
Thank you. We have the primerless cover tape, which is the first in the industry,
Correct?
right?
Yep.
We also have these adhesive sprays. This is also first in the industry. We have aerosol seam cleaner, aerosol primer, and 2 different aerosol quick sprays. One is low VOC, one is regular.
Yeah, so you just said a minute ago, when I have to go say I want to go up and repair a curb,
Yeah.
and I'm going to glue that flashing, I got to carry up a 5-gallon bucket of adhesive or, something that's got a hose attached to it to glue that flashing. I'll have this aerosol.
Well, if you have the hose and gun, you may have to clean the hose and gun.
Sure, exactly.
Right. Yeah, no, this is a home run.
And we're first in the industry with this also.
Right. In
So
fact,
what else we got going on here?
we have self-adhered EPDM accessories. This is in a 6x100 roll, 9x50 roll, and a 12x50 roll.
So when you say self-adhered, what actually do you mean?
What we're saying is clean, prime, put this in, no hot air welder needed. This goes up, goes on like that, you're done.
Clean, prime, peel, stick, roll.
Right. The nice thing about it is you don't need a hot air welder. You don't need the generator because we tell you not to use house power anyway.
So what is that basically designed for there?
This is designed for outside or inside
Inside
corners. Right. 9x7, Wally. Pull the back off. Pull this off, the top. Fold it, stick it, form it, roll it.
Corner.
Yeah.
What is that one right there?
This is a T-joint patch.
That would be what, 5x5?
5x5 and it's rounded.
So those already come pre-cut.
Yeah.
Basically, you could cut them out of there if you really needed to, correct?
Oh, you
But
could.
we sell them already pre-cut in
Right.
a box.
Yeah, if you want to do 6x6 T-joint patches, you can.
So what do I have right here?
You have a hot air welder that is battery powered.
So let's see what we have in here. It's a nice backpack, obviously. We have 1 battery.
Mm-hmm.
In this kit, we have 2 batteries.
Nice.
So you can get a kit with 1 or 2 batteries. We also have the hand welder. Looks like the one you use every day.
Right, but the end, the end is,
Yeah. So I've got questions. Can I just cut this off and plug in? No. I mean, this is dedicated to only these batteries. And
Yeah.
it's pretty simple to plug in. There's only one way you can plug it in. Makes it Wally proof. I can't mess it up. So only one way to plug it in. Now these batteries, they're affected by extreme weather conditions. So summertime or wintertime, you don't want to leave them in your vehicle because it will affect the batteries.
right.
Now, is this really made for production?
No, not really, because if you're doing production, you're going to have generators and robots and so on and so forth.
I mean, you could, right?
Yeah,
But you can have that equipment up there already. Sweet spot is mainly repairs, maintenance.
Or if a estimator's doing a cut.
Yeah, bring it along with you to do that. Also comes in this pack, we have a charger.
Oh, the charger's in there too?
Yeah,
that's
everything comes with it. So again, most new vehicles these days have the 110 plug-in. You can actually plug this in. If you're on a job, go to the next repair, your battery's running a little low, plug it in, charge on the way to your next job.
So how long does it take to recharge?
Basically 2 hours, recharge it back to roughly 100%.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not bad at all.
It also comes with the wide tip,
Mm-hmm.
and you got the narrow tip, and you got the angled detail tip.
Nice.
So whichever one you're used to using.
Okay.
So Dave, I mean, there's a lot of options here. You know, there's one better than the other, but if you're a repair guy, if you have all these in your truck, depending on what type of repair you're going to do, I mean, maybe all you need to bring up is a roll of this and a can of primer. You know, if you're doing maybe something that you need to heat weld, you've got the battery operated welder option for you also.
And it's a nice backpack.
Yeah. Again, these are options that we're offering a contractor to improve his bottom line as maintenance and repair divisions.
Absolutely. I mean, how can you go wrong with this?
Yeah, exactly. So stay tuned for other videos. We actually have videos how we're going to details on install certain products here using our tapes. gif.com/roofingitright.